operating system platform, I'm looking at home folders. Now, what a home folder is basically is a folder that will be storing all the documents and files created by all the users. For that to happen, you'll have to map a drive to the home folder. So we'll be doing that, and the user will see that drive on their My Computer window, where they'll be able to store and save their personal files, folders, whatever, and log on to any other computer in the enterprise and access those same folders from that drive that we've mapped for them. Alright, so let's get to the checklist. So first thing first, we'll create a root folder named home folder. Then we will share the folder, we'll set the permissions for the folder, security, and then we'll link the users to the home folder. At this part here, this last part here, we'll link the users to the home folder. At the same time, we'll automatically we'll map in the drive for the users. So let's get started. So Windows 2008 server loaded up. Let's create our home folder. So we're going to create our home folder in our local disk. Right click, new folder, call it home folder. Let's share this folder now. Properties, sharing, advanced sharing. Go to share this folder. Create a name. We're not going to leave it space here. Put underscore down here. Let's set the permissions now. Move everyone, and we're going to add domain users. And click OK. And then we're going to get full permission, so allow full control. Alright, apply, OK, and apply this, OK as well. Let's go to our security, advanced, I'm going to edit it. We're going to exclude inherited permissions from the object parents. So because the users have read and execute. So alright, so now we have to remove the read and execute permissions from the users. Now we have to edit the permissions for the users, because these users have read and execute access or permission. Now that will be inherited to the home folder, and we don't want that to happen. So we will click remove that, select this tool here, and then we remove it. Alright, apply, OK, close this down. Great. Now our home folder is created. Let's go to our administrative tools and Active Directory user computers to create a user and link them to our shared folder. So let's create our user right here, corp.com. New user, first name, Fran, and then its login name Fran Sun, and click next. Get a password. Right click on Fran now. I'm gonna put this. This is where we're gonna link it to the home folder. Now we can link it to our profile folder as well as link our home folder. This is our home folder first. We'll go down to the home folder section, click connect, choose a letter for our drive. Let's choose T, and then go to add our path here. So our path will be right click, properties, sharing, this is our path. So just copy that here. Type that in there. And then our username. Click apply. Click apply. Great. And let's add Jack Daniels as well. Properties, profile, connect. Let's give it Z to server. And then click OK. Now that we basically create our drive, what we actually map the drive on the user machine to the home folder saved on the server machine. So any file documents that the user saves, it will be saved on the home folder. Now, because they have whenever they log into another machine, they will be able to access those files and folders. Now that drive is for their use alone. That drive we just mapped out for Fran and Jack Daniels is for their use alone, respectively. Therefore, no one else could go on to and access their information that they're stored on their drive. Right? So let's test this here. We go to Fran. Let's log in as Fran. Alright, so now we're on with Fran. Let's go to start, computer, and we should see a mapped drive down here. Fran, home folder. Awesome. So click here, new document. Fran. And let's type something. So we go just made a file in Fran, and you check here, it's saved on the Franson home folder drive. Basically, I just saved this file here, or this user has access to store his full files on the server machine rather than on his local disk. Alright. Alright, so let's go to start, computer, and there we go. There we go, Fran. Awesome. So that's it. So that's basically it. So that's basically it for home folder. Our next video will be DHCPs. See you then. Thanks for watching.